What's going on, guys? Full here from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube with another quick matchup for you. If you don't know what a matchup is, basically we show you what a certain size tire looks like on a certain size wheel. So this time we got a 35 12.5 R20 Mickey Thompson wrapped on a 20x10 -24 XD Heist. So if you take a look at it, I'll get my tape measure out here somewhere. What do all those numbers mean? Well, 35 by 12.5, when we're talking about the tire, we're talking about 35 inches tall. Now these tires are actually used, they've been driven on a bit, but we still can show you guys what they look like. So 35 inches tall by 12.5 wide. It's gonna be like your footprint there. R20 just means it's for a 20-inch wheel, and like I said, this wheel is a 20x10. So 20 is the diameter, 10 is gonna be your width, if I can slide it in here. And that's what all the numbers mean. -24 is gonna be your offset. It doesn't actually affect what the tire looks like on the wheel though, so we won't dive too far into that. We have other videos on that if you want to learn more. So this 35 on the 20-inch wheel here, you can see there's obviously a pretty decent amount of sidewall. Some people would still say that this isn't enough for true off-roading, but if you're that mild enthusiast, you want something that's not super skinny, this might be something that you want to do. Obviously this is on a Jeep here, but you could run this on any sort of vehicle as long as you can fit it with whatever lift you're running. So if you look at how much sidewall there is to the seam, it's about 5 1/4. To the top of the tread, you're looking at 6 1/4, 6 1/2, depending on where you're measuring here. So that's how much sidewall you've got. Like I said, there's a pretty decent amount of it. There's a little bit of bulge because this is a 12.5-inch wide tire on a 10-inch wide wheel. So that means your tire sticks out further than the wheel does. So there's this little bit of rounded sidewall here. Nothing really balloony or big, nothing sticking out too far, just because, like I said, it's only 2.5 inches difference. And then, you know, you get that basically split in half for some on this side, some on the back side. So almost a straight up and down sidewall really, but still just a little bit of protection there if you do take it off road or you're worried about smashing the curbs in the McDonald's drive-through. So that's pretty much your matchup. That's what it looks like on there. That should be everything you need to know. Peace.